Hey, look. If you've never ordered cookout before, this is how you got to do it. Well, this one's not on fire here. All right. Man, that person just pulled up and they're taking their orders. See, this is a problem with cookout. One time I sat in line when a million people, like 5 people went through one line, and I just sat there in the other line. I don't know what's going on with that. Howdy, yeah, I'll do a tray. I want the big double burger. Everything on it. Lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and onions, and bacon, and jalapenos too, please.
Would you like cheese on that too?
Yeah, cheese for sure.
Alright, so did you also want mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, pickles, and onions?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 1 quick second, alright?
Alright. You know, sporks are one of the best things ever created, man. Alright, and then I'll do a ranch chicken wrap and a Cajun chicken wrap. I want a huge chair wine, please. Can I add an extra huge chair wine?
Yes, sir. Anything else?
Yeah, let me get chili cheese fries. Add jalapenos.
Did you want the regular?
Let me do the regular.
Alright, you want to get a jalapeno on that too, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, what up?
That's it.
It's gonna be 1657. My first shoe guys, I'm over there. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, y'all heard me say that I wanted lettuce, tomato, pickles, and onions and stuff, right? Okay, just making sure. Because he had to second that. In the morning, do my honey. Now, I'll tell you what, if you don't ever hit Cookout, because they don't have them in Texas, this place is bomb. Dang, you're still at the Cookout, brother. I'm doing a lot better now. I got invited to the Cookout. Had some FOMO earlier. Y'all were cooking out without me. Now I'm in.
Yeah. Hey, now you're gonna enjoy the food, bro.
Ain't no doubt about that. All right, thanks. tea they got here is real good too. Ain't no doubt about it. Man, everybody come to the cookout, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing better than going to a cookout. If you can't tell, I've messed with this guy before. He's like, oh, you again, fuck. Hey, thanks for having me at the cookout.
I appreciate that, bro.
You have a good one.
Good, bro.
And that right there is how you do the cookout, son. Let's see what we got. Let's see if our burger's even put together straight or not. It's always it could be perfect or it could be just like the sloppiest thing you've ever seen in your life. Let's see. Ooh, I can smell those chili cheese fries with that jalapeno on them. Those are going hard up in that box over there. All right. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, it feels good, too. Oh, yeah. That's a jalapeno. You see, they got them good jalapenos there. I'm not going to eat that one. Oh, yeah, they did me right. They did me right. They did me right. Look at that. Uh-huh. Son, I'm about to smack that.